Ladies and gentlemen, we're now moving forward. I would like to invite Mr. Madhok from SITA to discuss on collaboration of India and UAE in aviation. So ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome Mr. Madhok. You would like to play the video which will give you an overview about SITA in aviation industry. So ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the screens.
Yeah, hi, a very good morning to everybody. I hope this video has give you a little idea what SITA is, right, into aviation. So this PPT will give you a little idea what we actually do SITA, which is into aviation and recruitments for cabin crew and pilots in UAE and in India. I'm sure this PPT will give you a little idea. So SITA, we are a cabin crew recruitment company and an airline training academy. So we have our headquarters in Delhi, Dwarka, branch office we have in Panipat, and other international office we have in Dubai, UAE. So what SITA do? I'm sure this video has given you a little idea what we are. So SITA is actually a recruitment company where we give experienced cabin crew to a lot of international and domestic airlines. We are the first channel partners for SpiceJet airline, which a lot of people travel, working with Indigo, working with Air India, and charter flights, where all the crew who serves you on the flights are part of SITA. So we recruit them, and we have placed more than 500 cabin crew with these airlines in India and UAE. So why UAE or Arab countries hire people from SITA? There are a lot of questions comes. This will give you a little idea. We do the entire screening of these people. So people who actually come to SITA, the students or the candidate, we do the filtration part to make their work more easier. Plus the airline do not have to waste time. A lot of time airlines spend time checking their height, weight, tattoo. What happens in aviation, if in case a girl or a male have a tattoo on the hand, they don't hire people. It's a complete rejection. And it's not a rejection for the candidate, it's a waste of the time for the entire interview panel team. Plus, we give these candidates a very overview about the job description, which help the UAE, Arab countries and Indian HRs where the attrition is zero, because there is no attrition happens. Second thing, when UAE or Arab contacts SITA, what we do is, we do the entire interview panel. We book their venue, we book their advertisement, so that there is no additional cost for these airlines who are coming from a different country. So we have got many awards as a consultants, so we have closed good number of positions. So when we close position, these recognitions become a part of Indians. So when we work, we get achievements. So these are the few people that you will get on our website. We'll get a little overview. And the best part is there's the biggest event happening in Dubai, which is an air show happening in November. I hope many people know that, right? Who are from aviation. It's the world biggest air show that is happening, and SITA is one of the exhibitor there. You will find all the planes all over the world, whether it's US, Japan, UK, Canada, all planes of Airbus, Bombardier, any plane, name any airline, that will be there in Dubai Air Show, which is happening in November, on 16th or 17th of November. So SITA is the biggest exhibitor there, so that being an Indian, we can represent India on a bigger scale of. So I'm sure this presentations, PPT will give you a little idea of. My team is here. Any part, question that you have, or any dignitaries wanted to recruit cabin crew or pilots for the airline, they can contact my team. All the brochures, all the details, standard you will find of SITA. Thank you so much. I won't take you much of your time. Thank you all.